Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on subtraction by covering up. There are many ways that students can do subtraction, take away or minus. We have seen a few ways to do subtraction in previous videos. In this video we will use a strategy known as covering up. Let's look at the first example to explain this strategy. We have 5 circles drawn. Use these circles to calculate 5 take away 2. Here's a strategy and solution. Since we are taking 2 away, we cover 2 circles to make them disappear. So we've done that. The 2 circles are under here, we can't see them anymore. The answer is the number of circles we can see, the 3 that are left. 1, 2, 3. So they are the 3 circles that are left. So 5 take away 2 equals 3. The next example, here we have 6 stars, and we're going to use them to calculate 6 take away 4. So what we do, we cover 4 stars, which we've done here. There are 2 left, so 6 take away 4 equals 2. The next example, here we have 8 B's. We're going to use those to calculate 8 take away 5. We've covered 5 B's, we have 3 left. So we've covered 5, 8 take away 5 equals 3. Of course, they're the ones that are left. Next example, we have 12 apples. We're going to calculate 12 take away 7. So we've covered 6 apples here plus another one, which is 7, so we can't see those anymore. So we've covered our 7. There are 5 left, so 12 take away 7 equals 5. Use the appropriate number of concrete materials to calculate each of the following takeaway expressions. So these are the expressions. So your teachers will explain to you, or teachers please explain to the students how many concrete materials they can start with. You might actually do this one with them, and then they can do the rest. And use the following objects to calculate 10 take away 5 take away 2. This is an interesting one because you've got 2 takeaways here. So basically, if we start with 10 pairs, we've covered 5 of them. Then we cover another 2. So under here, we have hidden 5 pairs. Okay, so let's say we started off with those 5 pairs. They are hidden, you can't see them. And there are 2 more here. They're all hidden. So we started off with 10, we've covered those 5 and those 2, because take away 5, take away 2, how many do we have left? 3. So cover 5, then cover another 2, so 10, take away 5, take away 2 equals 3. So this video has introduced a very interesting strategy called covering up to help students do take away, subtraction or minus.